Lamborghini has rewritten the rulebook. Again, this is not evolution, this is absolute domination. Introducing the Lamborghini Temerario, the fearless successor to the legendary Huracan. It's sharper, faster, and yes, it's electrified. But make no mistake, it remains unapologetically Lamborghini. Every line, every surface is engineered not just to slice through the air, but to attack it. From the signature hexagonal lighting that cuts through the darkness, to the razor-edged side intakes feeding the hybrid system. This isn't just styling, it's weaponized design. The sculpted carbon fiber hood features aggressive air channels, and at the back, a high-mounted exhaust glows orange with raw heat. This is form following a very, very fast function. Beneath that aggressive skin lies the future of performance. At its heart beats a high-revving twin-turbo V8, now fused with next-generation electric motors. This isn't your typical hybrid. This is hybrid technology, the Lamborghini way, delivering instant, earth-shattering torque and explosive acceleration that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. The result is a seamless, relentless wave of power that's always on tap, ready to be unleashed. The energy flows from the battery to the motors to the wheels in a symphony of advanced engineering, creating a driving experience that feels both futuristic and fundamentally primal. So, how does it feel on the road? Well, imagine launching down a wet straight, traction control lights flickering as the advanced all-wheel drive system grips the road with brutal, unrelenting precision. The adaptive suspension reads the surface in real time, anticipating every imperfection, every corner. It's a machine that connects you to the road in a way you've never felt before. Control doesn't just exist, here it dominates. The car feels alive, responding to your every input with a level of accuracy that inspires immense confidence. You don't just drive the Temerario, you become one with it. Step inside, and the experience intensifies. The interior feels less like a car and more like a cockpit built for combat. Inspired by fighter jets, the digital driver display glows with critical information, while a large center screen displays real-time hybrid performance data. Everything is angled towards you, the driver. Carbon bucket seats wrapped in premium Alcantara hold you firmly in place, connecting you physically to the machine's every move. Every screen, every button, every surface has been meticulously designed and placed for one purpose, and one purpose only: to enhance the thrill of the drive. It's a cabin that is both luxurious and ruthlessly efficient. But let's talk about the soul of the machine. It's electrified, but it still screams. That glorious, mechanical fury is now blended with the subtle whine of electric power, creating a unique and unforgettable soundtrack. It's a sound that sends chills down your spine, a powerful reminder that while technology moves forward, raw emotion will always be Lamborghini's true fuel. It's the perfect fusion of the past and the future, a visceral roar that announces its arrival with authority. The Lamborghini Temerario isn't just the future of the Huracan, it represents the future of the supercar itself, a future that is sharp, aggressive, and absolutely electrifying. It proves that the soul of performance can thrive in a new era, becoming even more potent, more intelligent, and more exhilarating. So, the question is, would you dare to tame the Temerario? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the next era of Lamborghini. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.